As it is the court, my lord, I haven't had anything since I informed the court that they managed to identify and expect. They are working on it, but I haven't had anything from them. Maybe it will be an opportune time for us to hear from them what is actually happening. To contact and hear them what is happening. Probably give feedback on when we come back again.
You know the law. It says you must be given a reasonable opportunity to present your case.
Yes.
Right. Is it not unreasonable now? Because the state evidence was tendered, you may sit down, was tendered in August last year. And you were supposed to consult your expert.
Yes.
It's now, what's the 6th or 8th month? 9 months.
Yes.
And you're still not ready to cross-examine.
We are a bit hamstrung, my lord.
No, I understand.
Yes.
I was with the JP, and I will tell you what he says. And I know he's quoting the law. He says, what have you got to do with assisting the defense to get witnesses? I couldn't answer him. He says, I don't understand. I said, no, you know this section 35 of a fair trial.
A right to a fair trial.
That's it.
Yes.
But then it's not absolute.
Yes. It has got its own limitations.
Yeah.
Yes.
So how long do you need?
We will have to hear from my instructing attorneys, my lord, which is the Legal Aid Board South Africa. Because as I'm saying, the last time we communicated with them was when I got information that they've been able to identify an expert and they are working with him. So, but then they said that they will provide a further communication on whether or not we should then start to consult with him. That is where now the position is. We haven't had anything else.
Okay, I hear you. So, Mr. Baloyi, how many other witnesses are you going to call? Roughly. You don't know?
Well, my lord, as we intimated the other day, that we are at the beginning of the end of the state case, we thought that maybe by the close of the term, which is I think around the 22nd of June, if I'm not mistaken, we would be close to the end of the state case. But because of these delays, I think early in the next term we should be able to close the state case. There are fewer witnesses left.
Yeah, because we are running the risk of me dying. Oh, it will be nice. Okay. Yeah, I mean, this trial has been dragging and dragging and dragging and dragging. I once did a trial for 5 years, but at least it had breaks in between. Now this one, it's like the Orient Express. It just goes on and on and on and on and on. Okay, so you're getting some medication at least. So Tuesday, you think you'll be somehow, maybe, okay?
I hope to be.
Okay.
So, my lord,
Yeah.
if I may assist the court, I see we had a communication from Legal Aid on the 20th of May 2024, and they just confirmed that they have received a quotation from the expert. So something is moving, my lord.
Yeah, but if they have received the quotation, have they instructed the expert on your behalf?
They said they have instructed, but we can't consult now.
Why not?
I'm not sure, my lord. It's the internal processes.
So we are adjourned until what, Tuesday?
That's correct, the 11th of June 2024.
Yeah. Okay. What section is it? Section 10 of the Constitution, which talks about the health of accused persons. Mr. Mnisi, is it section 10 or 12 of the Constitution?
I want to be honest, my lord, I'm uncertain.
Who knows?
We've got a constitution.
Yeah, me I know. It's either section 10 or 12.
Section 10 speaks about the human dignity.
And what else?
And it's only the human dignity, man. And then section 12 talks about the freedom and security of a person.
The what?
The freedom and security of a person.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Yeah, even witnesses, I think they're entitled to that. If a witness is not
Yes.
in a physically sound state to give evidence, the court may not overlook that. Okay, so we'll postpone to Tuesday then. There's nothing we can do. Okay.
Nice.